if you look at the fine details of the proposed bill in both houses of Congress, it is allowing our children to choose a gender
Ah,
different from their biological sex. Because according to the bill, sex is defined as not just biological, but also emotional, psychological, meaning children can choose whatever gender they want at any time. So one can be a boy in the morning, girl by lunchtime, a homosexual in the afternoon, or even a tikbalang in the evening. You can choose to be, you can identify to be
correct.
an
Oh my.
inanimate animal. So, and removing the freedom and the authority from parents to raise their children based on their religious spiritual conviction. So, desa mangyayari, yung bill, merong family court
Yes
where
po.
a child navigating his gender confusion can work it out in a court with a psychologist, with a someone from the state, but no representation from the parents.